The way you drive affects the amount of fuel your vehicle uses. The less fuel you use, the more money you save. It's also good for the planet because the emissions are lower. In this video, we have 10 tips to help you improve the fuel efficiency of your driving. After applying these tips, you will see a reduction in fuel consumption of around 20%. But before we start, support us by hitting the subscribe button and turning on the notification to not miss any new videos. Let's start now. 1. Make good use of your air conditioning. Using your air conditioning can increase fuel use by 10%. Probably one of the bigger factors in saving fuel. Instead of using the AC at low speeds, open the windows. For high speeds, close the windows. Driving with the windows open creates drag. At higher speeds, the drag created by open windows uses more fuel than the air conditioning. It varies with speed and vehicle, but on the highway, you're usually better off using the AC than opening windows. 2. Change gears early. By changing gears early, you can avoid over-revving. Use the highest gear possible and change gear in advance. Changing gear at low RPM rates from 1500 to 2000 RPM can reduce consumption and CO2 emissions by up to 10% or 15%. 3. Make your car lighter. Carrying unnecessary heavy objects should be avoided. There's no reason to drive around with excess weight in your trunk. Only take with you what you need. The heavier the car, the higher the fuel consumption. 4. Maintain constant speed. Avoiding fast acceleration and sharp braking, be very soft on the accelerator. You should accelerate only to reach the ideal cruising speed for a specific stretch of road. Your foot must be very delicate. 5. Keep your speed under 100 km per hour, reduce your speed. Driving over the speed limit can increase fuel consumption by 10%. Driving, for instance, at 130 km per hour implies a consumption that is 25% higher than driving at 110 km per hour, which in turn uses 10% more fuel than driving at 95 km per hour and 15% more fuel than driving at 80 km per hour. 6. Tire pressure. Keeping the proper air pressure in your tires provides better fuel efficiency and a more comfortable ride. Properly inflated tires usually get better fuel efficiency compared to poorly inflated tires. Changing temperatures can affect the inflation of your tire. All tires gradually lose air over time. Check your tire pressure at least once a month and before long journeys. 7. Gently slow down. Anticipate slowing by looking ahead. Take your foot off the accelerator and let the car slow down gently rather than braking hard. Focus on the route. Pay attention to crossings, stop signals, preceding vehicles, and red traffic lights that might turn green. Always try to anticipate when preceding vehicles will stop, lift your feet from the accelerator and exploit the inertial energy. 8. Turns of the engine. Don't leave your vehicle idle for long periods of time. Cars not equipped with start and stop technology, which automatically shuts the engine off when the car is stationary, need their engines to be shut off. During longer than usual stops, shutting off the engine can reduce fuel consumption by a liter per hour when the engine is running. 9. Reduce short trips. Reducing short trips saves you fuel because your car uses 20% more fuel when your engine is cold. Doing short trips, you will always drive with a cold engine. 10. Service on time. If your car is not working properly, then all the above tips are useless. The chances are that the engine will consume more fuel. Make sure to see the manual of the car and do the maintenance on time. If the video was helpful, make sure to subscribe to the channel.